What is dumping? In international trade, dumping refers to manufacturing firms exporting goods at a lower price than their domestic price or their cost of production. It is a type of predatory pricing. Dumping harms manufacturers in the importing country because they have to compete with artificially low prices. Put simply, dumping refers to exporting without making a profit or even at a loss. The practice is frowned upon by most companies and businesses. The main objective of dumping is to increase market share in the market of another country. By selling at artificially low prices, the exporter might succeed in driving out competition. It might even be possible to create a monopoly situation in an overseas market. The government of the exporting country may be subsidizing the manufacturer to protect jobs. It is a tempting strategy just before elections. Supporters of competitive markets say that dumping is a form of unfair competition. The US, Canada, and the European Union subsidize their farmers, who export their produce. Farmers in Latin America, Africa, and parts of Asia cannot compete with the artificially low prices. Due to this form of dumping, hundreds of millions of farmers across the world have migrated to the cities. Nairobi, Mexico City, and Manila today have huge slum areas. Many people today are migrating from the emerging economies to the US, EU, and other advanced economies. How much of this migration is the result of farming subsidies? Thank you for watching this Market Business News video on dumping.